Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we have sweet potato cornbread, everyone. Yes, look at that nice moist cornbread, how we do it. Oh my goodness, it tasted mouth-watering. I know, right? But look at this. What we did was we had our favorite cornmeal here, and we went on and added that to the batch of 2 eggs, and we added some fresh sweet potatoes that we had creamed together. We added in some buttermilk. Now, we didn't add in all of the sweet potatoes. We just wanted to kind of moisten it up a little bit there like that and mix it up really good, okay? It's about the quality and the flavors that you're putting into your cornbread to make it nice and moist. Now, if you never had sweet potato cornbread, let me tell you, this is one thing that if you try it, you definitely want to have it again because you don't even taste the sweet potatoes once it's done. But look at your batter is going to be kind of lumpy still anyway, but you go ahead and bake it for a good 25 to 30 minutes. Make sure you kind of pop in on it after 25 minutes and make sure that everything is all lovely and it's all nicely done in the middle. Now, we also added in our special honey butter. Oh, look at that. Yes, it's like a caramel sauce. It just makes you want to slap somebody in the south, but I'm telling you, grandmother, but I'm telling you, look, it's just so moist that it just sucks down into the nice of the crevices of your cornbread bed. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Now, what was not, get some greens and some fried pork chops and some fried chicken or whatever it may be. This is going to be the absolute topping of the whole part of having the cornbread. I'm telling you, you know what, grandmother, I've never had it before, but I really love it. It was super moist, delicious. Look at that. Look at it. Isn't it beautiful? Look at the top all the way down to the bottom, everybody. Look at that. I'm just showing you how moist it is. You ever seen a cornbread that moist before? I tell you, look, I'm just speechless. I am too. But really, but look at this. People at the church will go crazy over this. I know they would, but look at that. Oh my goodness. Well, we have our cookbook on Amazon.com, on Mama Soul Kitchen. We have a lot more recipes of soul food cooking. Make sure you guys order yours today and go on over there and have a good old time and follow us on YouTube.